Hello, this is Dan Hilsman. In this video, I'll explain how to build a real estate team at eXp Realty and how I built a partnership real estate team and went from 0 to 77 agents in my first year. At the time of creating this video, I have just over 600 agents and just over 3 years at eXp Realty. Be sure to stay to the end of this short video for a valuable bonus. Plus, like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Here are my 5 tips on how to build a real estate company at eXp Realty and how I built a company from zero and how I built a team from 0 to 77 agents in my first year. Recruiting new agents is also something to consider while building a team at eXp Realty. New agents thrive at our company. Step number 1, I work closely with my business partner and mentor to help develop systems and processes to help our agents to realize all the benefits and advantages of working with us in our group at eXp Realty. It was important to have these systems and processes in place first so that our agents wouldn't have to recreate the wheel. This is a done-for-you team building system that has helped me to grow and helped all of our agents to grow fast at eXp Realty. Step number 2, I listen. I listen to each agent and what their individual needs are. By listening to these agents, I can find out what their individual needs are and how we can best help them with all the tools that we have in our group at eXp Realty. Whether or not the agent needs leads, script training, listing, or buyer presentations, setting up funnels or campaigns, we can help. Other agents may need virtual assistants, ISAs, admin, contract to close, or strategies on doubling their real estate income in the next year. We are helping our top agents earn the ultimate goal of financial and time freedom. Step number 3, created our calendar. We have daily accountability calls, weekly coaching sessions, weekly KV Core lead generation training, monthly mastermind meetings, and quarterly boot camps. Step number 4, ongoing action plans and clarity to help our agents continue to grow. We have a clarity guide, which is great for providing our agents with letting them know where they are, and once you know where you are, that will help you to know where you're going and how to get there. We have an 8 stages of growth guide. This guide allows you to see the different stages of real estate progression from being a beginning agent, a solo agent, all the way up to a mega team building agent. We have a 30-day action plan and a 90-day business plan. The 90-day business plan is ongoing, so you continuously have goals and know how to reach those goals within your business. We also have the opportunity to have an unstuck call whenever you need one with some of the top agents in the real estate industry. These are mega agents and agents that have helped me grow my business and agents that are helping other agents throughout our company and our group to grow at a high level. In step number 5, I'll talk about how I built a team from 0 to 77 agents at eXp Realty. How I've grown so fast is we open our playbook, and the agents that have helped me have opened their playbook to all of the best practices in their real estate business, growing their businesses and growing their teams. All of these agents that we have our same systems. We freely give and share, coach and train, and support all of our agents to help them grow as well. So it's not just me growing my business, it's me growing my business and helping me help agents grow their business and helping their agents to grow their business as well. We simply plug our agents in to help them to understand and how to grow their system. Then we help the agents that they bring on to plug into our systems and training, and we all can grow faster. We can all grow bigger and faster together than we ever could apart. Now for the bonus. Go to the8stages.com, THE8stages.com, and download our free 8 stages report. See one of my business partners and mentors doing a less than 1-minute video explaining what the 8 stages is and how it can best benefit you. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. If you like this video and found it valuable, please click these boxes. Remember, Dan's Real Estate Solutions for buyers, sellers, and agents. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. And oh yeah, by the way, this is a real background. So I like to do videos in different locations at different backgrounds. I'm at Myrtle Beach at my son's college baseball game, and I thought, what a great background for a video. Hope to see you on the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.